Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another very creepy looking character, the living porcelain dolls. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very fun to draw. If you guys have played the Little Nightmares 2, these are really creepy looking characters, and it's actually a lot of fun to try to hammer them. It's actually not as easy as it looks. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to draw in the overall head shape first, and then we're going to draw in the rest of the face. So the proportions are really weird. I'm just going to start out here on the side. Just kind of come in like this. I know this is very hard to draw at the beginning. So just kind of like almost like a little U shape, but just make it a little bit sharper on the bottom. And then I'm going to come in and draw his eyes, which are really creepy. So come across, just draw it slanting down. So it's going to be like an almond shape. Okay, so just slant it down. So same thing here, just come across. So again, if your proportions are off, it's okay, because either way it will look very creepy. All right, and then just kind of shade this in real quick. And then now to add in a little bit more detail, just come to the edge right here, just draw two little curves. All right, and then we're gonna draw in the nose. So right in the middle of this eye right here, on the bottom, just come across, come down slightly, just draw a little U shape. And then for his lip, just come halfway up this, one line across, and then one smaller line on the bottom for the lower lip. Okay, so we're just gonna keep this simple. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the hair. So right on the corner of this eye, just go up. You can make a little point. Let's draw this side first. Curve, and then just come down, connect to this. And then on this side, it's gonna come all the way here. So this is gonna be one smooth curve coming down, and then we're gonna turn it, just connect to that. All right, and then to finish up the hair, start on this corner again, just gonna go up at a slant. This side, just curve down, connect to the side. And then this one, we're gonna go all the way across, connect to here. So it's gonna be nice and big, just go all the way across, and then turn it down. Okay, and we can add in some lines like this to give it some flow. Even down here. And then lastly for his ear, just run the side right here. It's a little bit bigger. And we can add in some detail, just add one little line like this for the ear. All right, so yeah, definitely a very creepy looking character, these porcelain dolls. All right, so now let's draw in the body. So when I come in here, this is gonna be the vest. So just draw a little V shape like this first. And then here we're gonna come down. So this is gonna be the side of the body, and this will be the waist. And then we'll just close this off first. Okay, and then for the clothing right here, just extend one side and then come down. And we can add in 2 buttons. And let's just go ahead and finish up inside right here, right in the middle, just one line. And then for the collar, just 2 little lines going out. All right, and then let's see for the sleeves, or the shirt sleeves. Just go out and then just come back in. So that's gonna be pretty much the upper body, and now we can draw in the arms. So we're gonna give it a little bit more of a pose. So let's go ahead and draw in this side first then. Okay, so for the arm, just go out. So this is gonna be the full arm, right around here. And then now for his hand on the bottom, just one little hook for the thumb. Back of the hand, just keep going out. That's gonna be the finger. Turn and then just connect to this. And then for the other fingers, we can add in one little bump. All right, and then for this side, let's have it going out as if it's trying to block you, which is one of the things they try to do. They try to block you and just kind of come right after you. So yeah, it's pretty creepy in the game. All right, so we're gonna draw in the top section first, just curve out. Come down and curve, so this will be the elbow. And then now for his hand, come up here for the thumb. So we can draw the bottom first. So here's the bottom of the hand. And now we can draw in the fingers. So right here, I'm just gonna draw one finger first. And then for this one, just come down, go up, just tuck it right behind that one, and we'll just add one little line here to divide up the fingers. Hope you guys can see this. I know it's kind of small right here. Okay, so now let's draw in the lower body. In the middle right here, we come down, just draw like a little angle like this first. And then for his shorts, we'll just flare this out and then close it off. So there should be a little slant. Okay, and for his legs, we're gonna give him a little bit of a pose as well. So let's draw in this one first. Just draw one little bar, close it off. That's gonna be a knee. We're gonna angle it back in, close it off, and we'll finish off this one and then we'll draw on this one. Now for the shoe, so this one's easy. Just draw a little dome shape, just come out a little bit more on this side, close it off. All right, and then now for this side, this will be a little bit straighter right here. So just come down right around here. We're just using this for reference so we know how long to draw the legs. Now we're gonna come down, keep going down, close that off. And then now same thing here for the shoe, curve down, and this side just kind of go out way more. So it's almost like a straight line. Come down, close it off. And then now for the shoe, so this one's at a slightly different angle. So I'm gonna draw one line toward the center and then just curve out. And then on this side, it's just gonna curve, just one big dome shape. And if you want to, you can add in, for the laces right there, just two little lines, and maybe right here as well. And that is it for this very creepy looking porcelain doll in Little Nightmares. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and don't forget about my website at mycoolkidsart.com.